The Storm in the Sky. It was Emma's first time flying alone. She was going to visit her aunt in Canada for summer vacation. At the airport, she checked her bag and got her boarding pass. Her seat was by the window. She loved seeing clouds up close. The plane took off smoothly, and the city disappeared below. After an hour, the sky turned dark outside. The captain's voice came on. "We may meet some turbulence. Please stay seated." Lights flickered, and the plane began to shake. Emma held her armrests tightly and tried to breathe slowly. A flight attendant smiled at her. "Don't worry, this happens sometimes." Suddenly, there was a loud noise from the engine. Passengers screamed. Some dropped their phones or books. The plane tilted to one side, and oxygen masks fell from above. "Put your mask on," shouted the crew. "Help others only after yourself." Emma quickly pulled the mask over her nose and mouth. Rain hit the windows like stones. Lightning flashed every few seconds. The plane dropped suddenly. It felt like a roller coaster falling. Emma closed her eyes and thought of her mom's words. "Stay calm." She opened her backpack and found her lucky notebook. She wrote, "I am strong. I can do this." The pilot announced, "We are turning back to the nearest airport." But the storm was everywhere, and the wind pushed the plane sideways. One passenger started crying. A man prayed quietly. Emma looked around and saw fear, but also courage in people's eyes. Then the engines roared louder. The plane climbed again. "We're breaking through the storm," said a flight attendant. Slowly, the shaking stopped. The lights stayed on. People clapped and even laughed with relief. 2 hours later, the wheels touched down safely. Everyone cheered when the plane stopped at the gate. Emma stepped off the plane with shaky legs but a big smile. An airport worker said, "You were very brave." She replied, "I was scared, but I didn't give up." That night, she called her mom. "I made it," she said, tears in her eyes, "and I'm not afraid anymore." Her mom whispered, "I knew you could do it." The next day, Emma posted a photo on social media. It was her boarding pass with the words, "My storm, my strength." Many friends liked it and wrote, "So brave." From that day on, Emma wasn't just a traveler. She was a fighter. The day my car learned to think. It was a sunny morning in the city of New Haven. Lena woke up late and almost missed her meeting. She quickly grabbed her bag and ran to the garage. Her car, an electric vehicle named Eva, was already charged and ready. "Good morning, Lena," said Eva in a calm voice. "I have planned the fastest route. Traffic is heavy today." Lena smiled. "You always know what to do." Eva drove smoothly out of the garage without any noise. The streets were full of people, bikes, and self-driving delivery robots. 5 years ago, the city was full of loud cars and air pollution. Now, all vehicles run on electricity, and most can drive themselves. Even buses and taxis don't need drivers anymore. As they moved through traffic, Lena opened her tablet. She started reading work emails and replying to messages. In the past, she had to focus on driving and couldn't do anything else. But now, she trusted Eva to keep her safe. Eva used cameras, sensors, and smart maps to avoid accidents. Suddenly, a child's ball rolled into the street. Eva stopped immediately, before Lena even saw it. A few seconds later, a little boy ran out, then froze in fear. "Thank you, Eva," Lena said, feeling her heart beat fast. "No problem," replied the car. "Safety first." On the way, Lena remembered how things used to be. Her father once told her stories about gas stations and traffic jams. Cars broke down often and needed oil changes every month. Now, electric cars, like Eva, only need charging and software updates. Maintenance is rare and done automatically at night. When they arrived, Lena's boss was waiting outside the office. "You're on time again," he said with surprise. "I never worry about parking or traffic, thanks to Eva," she answered proudly. He nodded. "I should get a smart car too." After work, Lena visited her grandmother in the countryside. The road was narrow and winding, but Eva handled it perfectly. Grandma waved from the garden. "I still don't trust machines to drive," Lena laughed. "But you let your phone remind you to take medicine." Grandma smiled. "That's different." That night, Lena sat on her balcony and watched the quiet streets. Self-driving cars moved like shadows, dropping off passengers and returning home. No honking, no fumes, just peace. She thought about the future. Maybe one day, cars will talk to each other, or even help doctors deliver medicine during emergencies. She sent a message to her friend. "My car saved me today. Not just time, but maybe my life." Her friend replied, "Same here. Technology isn't magic, but it feels like it." A day of shopping and talking. It was Saturday, and Lily wanted to buy new clothes for school. She took the bus to City Mall, the biggest shopping center in town. When she arrived, she saw many stores with bright lights and music. She walked into Style Zone, a popular clothing shop. A friendly salesperson named Anna smiled at her. "Hello, can I help you find something today?" she asked. Lily felt a little shy, but said, "Yes, please. I'm looking for a jacket." "What color do you like, and what size?" Anna replied. "I like blue or black. My size is medium," said Lily. Anna showed her 3 jackets. "This one is warm and waterproof," she said. Lily touched the fabric. "Is this 100% cotton?" "No, it's 80% polyester and 20% cotton. It dries fast," Anna explained. "How much is it?" Lily asked. "It's $65, said Anna. "That's a bit expensive. Do you have anything on sale?" "Yes, this black one is on discount, only $45, Anna said. Lily tried it on in the fitting room. The jacket fit well, but the sleeves were a little long. "Do you have this in a small?" she asked. Anna checked the computer. "Yes, we do. I'll get it for you." While waiting, Lily looked at a scarf nearby. "How much is this red scarf?" she asked when Anna came back. "It's $15, but it's free if you buy 2 items," Anna said with a smile. "Great! I'll take the small jacket and the scarf." At the cashier, Anna scanned the items. "That's $45 for the jacket and $0 for the scarf. Total is $45. "Can I pay by card?" asked Lily. "Yes, just put your card here and enter your PIN." After paying, Lily got her receipt and her bag. "Thank you for shopping with us," said Anna. "You were very helpful. I'll come back next time," Lily replied. She left the store feeling happy and confident. On the way home, she texted her friend, "I bought a cool jacket today, and I spoke English the whole time." Her friend wrote back, "Wow, you're getting so good." That night, Lily practiced more phrases in her notebook. "Can I try this on?" "Do you have this in another size?" "Is this on sale?" She knew she would use them again.